Hello students. Now we will see some more questions regarding arithmetic progression, and the formula is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where Tn is nth term, a is first term, n is number of terms, and d is common difference. Clear? Now see in this question, if a plus 1, 3a, 4a plus 2 are three consecutive terms of AP, then find fifth term. So what we have given? We have given three consecutive terms. In last question we have given the series. With the help of series we can easily find first term, common difference. Okay, but in this question what we have given? Three consecutive terms. Consecutive means लगे हुए three terms दिए. अब उससे हम अब यहाँ पे देखो, one is missing, a is missing, so our first target is to find the value of a. बेटा ये a first term नहीं है. In general, in AP we take first term as a, but in this question a is any number. A is any number that we have to find. Okay, after find the value of a, then we have to find fifth term. Clear? So three consecutive terms. I mentioned that there is a note that in AP common difference are always same. In AP common difference are same. ये उसकी क्या है बेटा? AP की पहचान, आइडेंटिफिकेशन. ठीक है. सो आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ AP इज इन AP कॉमन डिफरेंस आर सेम. वो हम प्रॉपर्टी यहाँ पे यूज करेंगे, जिससे हम किसकी वैल्यू फाइंड कर लेंगे? ए की. जैसे ए की वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे, यहाँ पे ए का वैल्यू यहाँ और यहाँ रखेंगे, तब ये कहलाएगा फर्स्ट टर्म, ये कहलाएगा सेकेंड टर्म, ये हो जाएगा थर्ड टर्म. क्लियर? और फिर उससे हम क्या फाइंड करेंगे? फिफ्थ टर्म. क्लियर? सो हम वाला फॉर्मूला भी अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते स्टार्टिंग में. सबसे पहले हम क्या यूज करेंगे? आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ एपी. So what we have given? Given that a plus 1, 3a, 4a plus 2 are in AP. We have given, and they are consecutive terms. So in AP common difference are same. In AP common difference are same. So common difference means second term minus first term. Second term minus first term is equal to third term minus second term. Right? Common difference are same. Second term minus first term is equal to third term minus second term. Now solve it. 3a minus plus minus minus plus minus 4a plus 2 minus 3a. Clear? Now solve it. 3a minus a, 2a minus 1, 4a minus 3a, a plus 2. Now transfer of a and transfer of minus 1. So 2a minus a is equal to 1 plus 2. 2a minus a is equal to 3. A is equal to 3. Now this is not first term. Now put the value of a in terms. So first term, or we can say first term is equal to a plus 1, means 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. A plus 1, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Second term term is equal to 3a. So 3 into 3, 9, right? And third term is 4a plus 2. 4 into 3 plus 2. 4 3s are 12, and 12 plus 2, 14, right? Now we have first term, second term and third term. With the help of these three terms, now we can easily find first term. Yes, we have first term is 4, and common difference we can easily find second term minus first term, common difference, and T5, fifth term we have to find. So let first term and common difference of an AP are capital A and capital D. Capital A and capital D. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, capital D. So A is equal to, we have given A is equal to 4, D is equal to second term minus first term, 9 minus 4, 5. What we have to find? Fifth term, that means T5 we have to find. So it is clear that n is equal to 5. It is clear that n is equal to 5. So now put n as 5. T5 is equal to A plus 5 minus 1 into D. Capital A 9, 5 minus 1 4, D 5, right? Capital A 4, sorry. Capital A 4. Okay. Capital A 4, 5 minus 1 4, and D is 5. So 4 plus 5 4s are 20, 24. So fifth term of the series is 24. क्लियर? तो बेटा इस क्वेश्चन में याद रखना है आपको कि यहाँ पे स्मॉल ए फर्स्ट टर्म नहीं है, ठीक है? तो हमने यहाँ पे फर्स्ट टर्म क्या लिया? कैपिटल ए, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी इट इज यूज्ड इन द क्वेश्चन. सो we have to take first term as capital A. Similarly, we can take common difference as capital D. Clear? Now see next question. Next question. Yes, see the next question. The fifth and 31st term of an AP are 1 and minus 77. Find 11th term, right? So this is the question. So what question says that the fifth and 31st term of an AP are 1 and minus 77. Then find 11th term. Now in rough, first of all write Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Clear? Now what we have to find? 11th term. So T11 is equal to 11 minus 1 into D, right? So T11 is equal to A plus 11 minus 1 into D. That means A plus 10D. Now unknown values are A and D, where A is first term and D is common difference. Since there are two unknown values, that means we should have two equations regarding these two unknown values. मतलब हाँ, जैसे यहाँ पे दो अननोन वैल्यू है a और d, तो आपके पास दो इक्वेशन होना चाहिए a और d के फॉर्म में. फॉर दिस वी हैव गिवन द कंडीशन फिफ्थ एंड 31st टर्म, राइट. सो फिफ्थ टर्म एंड 31st टर्म ऑफ एन AP are 1 and -77. So with the help of this condition we can get easily two equations in the form of a and d. By elimination method, find the values of a and d and then put the value of a and d to find the 11th term of the series. You can find any term of the series whenever we have the values of a and d. Clear? See. So for this we have to take let first term and common difference of an APR A and D. Clear? Now what we have given? Given T5, fifth term is T5 is equal to 1 and T31 is -77. Clear? Since we know that Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, so T5 is equal to a plus 5 minus 1 into d. The value of T5 is 1, so 1 is equal to a plus 4d. So this is equation number 1. Simply we put the values of T5, which is 1, and apply the formula. Now T31 is equal to a plus 31 minus 1 into d. The value of T31 is -77, a plus 30d. Equation number 2. Clear? Now we have two equations which are in the form of a, d and constants. So by elimination method we can easily find the values of a and d. Clear? So we subtract equation 1 from equation 2, right? So second minus first. So write second equation, a plus 30d is equal to -77 and a plus 4d is equal to 1, right? Now subtract minus, cancel 30d minus 4d, 26d and -78. And we know that 26 3s are 78. So d is equal to -78 upon 26. So 26 1s are 26, 26 3s are 78. Hence we have d is equal to -3. So we got the value of d, which is -3. Now put the value of d in either equation number 1 or equation number 2 to find the value of a. Put the value of d in equation 1. Now equation 1 is a plus 4d is equal to 1. So a plus 4, the value of d is -3 equals to 1. So a plus minus 4 3s are 12 is equal to 1. So a is equal to 12 plus 1. Hence a is equal to 13. Now we have A is equal to 13 and D is equal to minus 3. Now we can easily find any term of the series. But we have to find in this question 11 term. Since T11 is equal to A plus 11 minus 1 into D. So A plus 11 minus 1, 10 into D, right? So the value of A is 13, 10 and D is minus 3. Clear? So 13 minus 30 is equal to 30 minus 13 minus 70. Clear? So 11 term is minus 17. Okay? So whenever we have given the value of two terms, it means we have two equations in the form of A and D, right? And with the help of these two equations, by elimination method, find the values of A and D, and whenever we have the values of A and D, then we can find any term of the series. Clear? Now see the next question. Yes, see. The question is, in AP, the third term is 4 times the first term, 4 times the first term, right? The sixth term is 17. Find the series. Okay? So what we have given in this question, in AP the third term is 4 times the first term. Now generally we take first term as A and third term is T3 is 4 times the first term means A. Clear? And also what we have given, sixth term is 17. Sixth term is 17. Find the series. So we have to find the series. Now series is A plus D, A plus 2D, dash dash dash. A plus D, A plus 2D. So this is the series. So our target is to find the values of A and D. Okay. So let first term and common difference of an AP are A and D. Clear? Now according to question, yes, in AP the third term means T3 is 4 times the first term. Clear? Since T3 is equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D is equal to 4A. Clear? 3 minus 1, 2D. A plus 2D is equal to 4A. Transfer of A. So 2D is equal to 4A minus A. So 2D is equal to 3A. Hence A is equal to 2d upon 3. 2d upon 3. So we got the value of a in the term of d, right? And T6 is equal to 17. We have given 6 term is 17. T6 is equal to 17. T6 is equal to a plus 6 minus 1 into d. A plus 6 minus 1 into d. A plus 5d is equal to 17. Now put the value of a. This is equation number 1. Take this equation as first. So put the value of a. Yes, put the value of a. 2d upon 3 plus 5d is equal to 17 by first. Now taking LCM. 3 ones are 3. 2d plus 3 5s are 15 equals to 17. Cross multiplication. 17d is equal to 17 into 3. So d is equal to 17 into 3 upon 17. Cancel. D is equal to 3. So we have d is equal to 3. Now put the value of d in equation number 1. So by first, 2 into 3 upon 3 is equal to a. 3 cancel. 2d upon 3. Okay. Hence we have a is equal to 2. Now we have a and d. So we can easily find any term or series. So series is a plus d, a plus 2d dash dash. Now a is 2, 2 plus 3, 2 plus 2 into 3 dash dash. So 2, 5, 2 plus 2d, na? D is 3, 2 plus 3, 5 and a plus 2d, 2, 5, difference is 4, 9, 8, 2, 5, 8 dash dash dash. Clear? Okay. So 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 3, 8 dash dash. So this is the series. Clear? Okay. So these are the questions. In next video, we can see some other questions. Okay. Thank you.